This is my Lenovo Thinkpad T61, which is probably 2005, 2010, somewhere in that range. I'm surprised by this machine. It has 2 gigahertz of processing power, which for that age of a machine is pretty fast. I'm missing one key on it, as you can see. I've got it going. I do need to get a battery, because this battery is obviously dead, and the power supply cable, which if I move it a certain way it'll die, so I'm going to get a new power cable. I've actually got that on order from eBay, and I'm probably going to have to find a battery for it. I don't know if I'm going to do a battery. I mean, if I get the power cable and it works fine, then I'm good. It is what it is. But I actually like this machine. It gets kind of warm, which it used to do back in the day. I stuck a new fan in here and with a new heat sink, and it seems to be running cool. It hasn't overheated or anything. The reason this laptop went away was because the fan stopped working on it, but like I said, I replaced the fan and it works just fine. There we go. Got the baby on the screen. I put these monitors on. I've got CPU usage, temperature gauge, memory usage, download, upload. Now this is bullshit. They're saying this computer is 53 degrees, 54 degrees. Bullshit. My lap says it's hotter than that. But it does keep it cool. It doesn't shut off or anything like that. But there's no way on this planet I'm believing this thing's running 50-something degrees. I think that temperature monitor's telling me bullshit. But here she goes. This thing, I can run pretty much anything I really want to run on it. I can run, I can't run Civil 3D, which is Autodesk or AutoCAD. That's way too much for this computer. But I can run like all my email clients, my word processing, Excel, stuff like that. You know, I can run web apps. I can run YouTube. But I tell you what, if I'm running YouTube, that sucker gets hot. YouTube's kind of heavy usage with only 3 gig of memory and 324 of 330 of hard drive space. I've got it partitioned so I can save some of the memory by dumping it into the partition. Techies know what I'm talking about there. But that's the baby. I'm gonna load this up on YouTube. Comment or whatever. Big J's, do it your damn self computers. Fuck with